Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The mandate for signing is the Government of Goa mandates CESL to act as the program manager for the scheme and disperse the state subsidy to OEM, which shall be passed on to the consumer by reducing the cost of the vehicle. Our dream is to have the cost of the vehicle of electrical vehicle in all sectors lesser than the diesel or petrol vehicle which is available of a similar nature in the state of Goa. We have tied up today with the MoU where they will try to bring manufacturers of vehicles to Goa, electrical vehicles in Goa. They will also try to bring in manufacturers of your charging stations in Goa. Environment Day and the theme today of restoration, which is there for the next 10 years. We all, as people of Goa, we should all be part of restoration work, because sustainability in both forms, whether it is in the form of development or economic interest, we have to go hand in hand. People will make a lot of allegations. There are pros, cons, all types of allegations which are being made. But we also as a human race has to go forward. We also as a human race require all the comforts, but also because of ever-growing population of the country, a lot of things which happen in the ecological front, in the environment front, which should not happen. But how to go hand in glove and with the system of protecting the environment is what we will all venture to do on this particular day.